Hey guys, welcome to the another build session here of the Tinderbox project. I hope you guys are doing pretty well. So I have spent some time figuring out actually the setup of the thing. Sorry for the Coke can. So you can see actually I have put in a camera webcam in there, and this is something I bought from the street actually. Holder for iPads and anything like that. But I'm actually using it for holding the camera here, essentially. And here is kind of the finger setup. If you can see, these are actually small earbuds. I made them wet, put a wire through it, grounded it, and that's how it acts as a stylus. Apparently the phone here, I don't have a Tinder account, so I'm actually working with the Pepper mockup. I just printed a stock image, like kind of like this, using that as kind of for the camera to detect. It kind of has a very good resolution. So here are the power plug and the USB all goes tied up, goes down under to a hub and connects to the computer. The internet is pretty slow, but then here is kind of the complete setup if you want to see it from different angles. Sorry. But this is what kind of the camera almost actually sees. So this is going to be our setup temporarily while we make the final installation. And so I'm gonna now switch it over to our sketch, and we have made some major UI changes essentially because the camera's resolution, maximum resolution is apparently not very much. So we have made some major, that's why I've made some major UI changes essentially, and it actually turned out to be pretty difficult because of a lot of issues that I was facing in that. But finally made it through, and let me just play it, and we could all see how the new UI looks and all that stuff. Um, it's taking some time to get up there. I don't know exactly why. It's supposedly to is it, let me just get the FaceTime off and restart the session. Maybe it's oh, I haven't actually connected. I'm sorry. um, I will start the FaceTime again. mm, let's do this, and let's quit Tinderbox again and start it back. So hopefully this time it starts. Let's see. Okay, so we have a new feed here, which is our very beautiful Allison. Her name is Allison, and she is definitely very beautiful. So let's see how the bot actually detects the changes. I can see like everything is very green here. I'm gonna put the background as black so that the green actually pops out. It's very like nerdy color, the terminal colors. So like I'm not gonna run the whole sketch. Let's just say see how it detects, and so there you go. Um, and it got it. Apparently it accepted her. Let's just go to the Tumblr blog. It's kind of slow, the internet here, but well, yeah, here you are. The resolution is getting will get better of the pictures in the Tumblr blog. I guess it's because of the internet right now. The picture is not getting resized and all, but this is where we are actually. Um, let's give you another example. Another of one of the other uh, changes that has happened is actually I was able to make it the whole thing kind of autonomous, like selection and like pressing. Right now I was just pressing on the keyboard as to activate, take a picture, and like do that stuff, and pressing B to uh, get it back to the live cam feature, just like for the tests. And I've actually made it able to um, do it automatically, not from within processing, because like there are a lot of delays and other issues involved, like the sketch was getting heavier and like giving some troubles and like in the uploading, and like there was lags. So I decided to actually do that activation and deactivation from external things. So I actually wrote a bash script to emulate keystrokes, and all of these three things, like the client data, um, showing sketch, the sketch that actually gets invoked along with the server analyzing sketch, those two sketches, and the bash script. All three are invoked at the same time with one bash command, essentially. So if I exit this now, um, I will run the command, and hopefully our three things will start together. Let's see. Okay. So that's great. Our client has started. Hopefully soon enough, the sketch will also start. Great. And okay, so it's active, and we are waiting for the keystrokes, apparently. So it is the main window that is on activation will actually take the keystrokes. So it will be actually helpful for me to put a countdown timer in there to so there you go. It has automatically pressed. I'm not pressing anything on the keyboard. And after some time, the image, after 40 seconds, this image is static image is going to disappear and get back to the live cam mode. I don't know why the client is not receiving any data. It sometimes gives some trouble. It was happening a few days back as well, but I'm quite sure it's not because of the UI changes. So let's just count to 40 more seconds and see if it goes back. By the way, I don't know if you have noticed the sound. I should have actually put a camera in there to see that the... Okay, so it's back. The fingers of the bot has actually selected like in the mode of operation. So so this is now kind of autonomous. Let's just exit the whole app, and so this is our main window. This is all of those three commands. So apparently that's what has been done till now. Hopefully we'll make some short changes around it and like make it more precise and stuff like that. So yeah, kind of like that. It's weekend, and it's kind of hungover. Like I came in, sneaked out in the office actually to use the space like in the evening. It's Sunday because from tomorrow I'm working on some other projects. But great, I'll keep you guys updated about the process, and let's see if I can put it in installation. Awesome.